From Amateur Radio Newsline Report, number 2439, this is Ham Nation Headlines for Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. First up this week, a look at solar storms. And as almost everyone knows, we've had more than our fair share of CMEs in this part of the solar cycle. NASA has begun trying to better understand radio waves detected coming from coronal mass ejections. And now they have the tool to help them.
The unprecedented use of a research tool in space known as low-frequency radio interferometry is helping NASA scientists track radio waves emanating from coronal mass ejections. The mission is known as CURIE, an acronym for CubeSat Radio Interferometry Experiment. Designed by scientists from the University of California, Berkeley, CURIE's two small spacecraft launched from French Guiana aboard a European Space Agency Ariane 6 rocket making its inaugural flight. This is the first space mission looking specifically at the origin of these radio signals, which are commonly detected during solar flares, CMEs, and solar storms. CURIE's two CubeSats are designed to capture the radio waves and triangulate them to determine their point of origin. Scientists are hoping that their findings can help better predict disruptions in communications as a result of rough solar weather. This is Ralph Squillace, KK6ITB.
If you're a ham with HF privileges and time to provide assistance to your fellow man in times of need, we have an opportunity for you. Here's Newsline anchor Paul Brown, WD9 GCO.
The Intercontinental Amateur Traffic Net, one of the oldest continuing nets in the United States, needs your help. In a posting in one of the QRZ.com forums, Holger, K2HES, said that the 20-meter net, also known as Intercon, needs additional net control stations to cover a 1-hour shift handling emergency communications. The net receives priority and emergency traffic on 14.300 megahertz daily from 1200 UTC to 1700 UTC during standard time and from 1100 UTC to 1600 UTC during daylight savings time in the United States. Hams with at least a general class U.S. license are eligible to fill one of the available slots as net control. Visit intercontinentalnet.org for more details and to see the net control schedule with the shifts that are available. The net has been on the air providing communications and goodwill since 1960.
In the U.S., Carnegie Mellon University in Pennsylvania recently added amateur radio to its curriculum for engineering students. Now, in India, another college has made that move.
Honours students in chemistry are being given the opportunity to add amateur radio to their first semester course load at a college in West Bengal, India. The RK Mission Vivekananda Centenary College announced recently that school officials believe that becoming a licensed ham will provide a gateway into the police force, the paramilitary, airport traffic work, and various divisions of the Indian military. The class is being designed to prepare students for the Amateur Station Operator Certificate issued by the Ministry of Communications. The school's principal said that although only chemistry students will be eligible for enrolment at this time, educators may expand the roster to include undergraduates focusing on physics. The school also plans to set up an amateur radio station on the campus. 70 students have enrolled in the course, which is being taught by the Indian Academy of Communications. This is Jason Daniels, VK2LAW.
Another reminder that the 2024 Newsline Young Ham of the Year Award will be presented to Grace Pape, K8LG, on Saturday, August 17th at 2 p.m. local time on the main stage at the Huntsville Hamfest in Huntsville, Alabama. Many thanks to our corporate sponsors, Yazoo USA, Heil Ham Radio, and Radio Waves Antennas. For more on the Huntsville Hamfest, visit hamfest.org. We look forward to seeing you there. And that's all from the Amateur Radio Newsline, your independent source for amateur radio news since 1976 at arnewsline.org. With Ralph Squillace, KK6ITB, Paul Brown, WD9GCO, Jason Daniels, VK2LAW, Karen Eve Murray, KD2GUT at the news desk in New York, and our news team across the globe, I'm Don Wilbanks, AE5DW. 7-3. We'll see you next time here on Ham Nation.